God. I bet they're pissed. Wow. I bet they're... Yeah, they are. Check this out. We are so soaked. It's worth it. Oh, that's it. That's that Challenger. There it is. Oh my God, look at that Chevelle. Oh. Boy, it's got Indiana plates on it. Yeah, we're screwed, but...
Oh, Porsche 911 GT3 RS.
Yeah, this is... I'm pretty sure none of them want to be here. Is that a Lamborghini? That's a Lamborghini. Look.
Oh my God, that's a Lamborghini.
Go stand beside it. Look at that. Hang on.